Day to each and everyone, it's me Francis Glomorotid of BSMA 1A, and today we're gonna tackle about video quiz on math about differentials and the spheres, volumes. So without further ado, let's start. So in this problem, letter A, y is equals to t cubed minus 4t squared plus 7t. Since it is algebraic expression, then we will differentiate it. As you see, there is only plus and minus. Then the rule we used to be is the power rule. So let this as y prime is equals to t cube. So in the power rule, if there is a power, then times multiply it by the coefficient, then minus the power by 1. So for example, 3 times 1 equals 3. Then copy the t, then 3 minus 1, as well as 2 times 4 equals 8. Copy the t, 2 minus 1, plus 1 times 7 equals 7. Copy the t, then 1 minus 1. So in this example, y prime is equals to minus 3t, 3 minus 1 is equals to 3t squared, minus 8t, 2 minus 1 is equals to 8t. Then ang t diri mawala naman siya kay 1 plus 1 plus 7 with respect to time. So mo na siya ang atong answer sa A. So in this example, letter B, as you can see, there are two expressions. So atong igamiton ani is product rule. So mo ni siya ang U, mo ni siya ang V. So mo ni ato gigamit U prime times V plus V times U prime. So ato na siyang i-calculate. So ang atong U prime is 2x. Kay 2 times 1 minus 1, 2x na lang siya. Then ang atong kapira na to ang atong sign 2x. Then plus ang V na to kapira sa so dapat diri nga V prime din siya diri. V prime then U. Then next ang V prime na to is, so if ato na siya i-calculate sa katong mga trigonometric functions, ang mogawas ani niya is cosine 2x x squared cosine 2x. Then atong ang imong is 2x. Then aton lang ni siya i-calculate. So makuha na nato ang iyang W prime. So W prime is equals to 2x sine parenthesis minus 2x squared cosine 2x with respect to dx. So inani ra pagkuha ang product rule. So dapat butangan gid siya nimo with respect to dx para mailhan jud siya kung asa siya nag God. So in this example, letter C, f with respect to z is equals to a cubed minus z4. So in this example, we will know this as logarithm function. So if logarithm function gani is ikuha nimo ang iyang exponent. So for example to this is e cube minus z to the power of 4 times d3 minus z4 then dz to the with respect to dz. So ang mahitabuan ni is imong i-differentiate ang iyang mga exponents. So sa pag-abot na to diri is pabilin ra gyapon ang iyang real nga equation, then ari ang iyang exponent. So for example to this is d3 over dz. Since 3 is constant naman number, wala siya kauban na variable, so ato na lang siyang i-cancel out. Then dz and d4 ay d to the z to the power of 4 with respect to dz is minusan nimo siya 1 since it is divide. So mahimo na lang siyang d over 3. So ato na, since ang hibilin diri is kuha na lang man dz over 3. So ato na ay 4z over 3 kaya ato mo siyang i-divide. Ito butang diri ha, 4z over 3 kay power rule na to. So ang mogawas na ni is negative 4z cube e cube minus z4. Kunin siya atong final answer paggamit sa logarithm function with respect to z. So this is the final answer for this question. So in this problem, a sphere was measured and its radius was found to be 45 inches with a possible error of no more than that 0.01 inch. What is the maximum possible error in the volume if we use this value of the radius? So first thing first, let us recall the equation for the volume of sphere. So the volume of sphere is V is equals to 4/3 pi over r cube. Then let us derive this. So d over v is equals to, so sa atong makita diri, ang atong ma-derive diri niya is ang r cube kay since kanang power rule man siya. So the power rule for this is 4 cube pi then 3r squared. So mo na niya yung power rule. The next step is ato siyang i-divide ang 3 since 3 times 3 is 1 na lang man. So ang atong makuha niya is 4 pi r squared with respect to r. Then the next step is since nakuha naman mo yung derivative, so ato na nang atong kuno ng differential, then atong i-list ang mga terms. Ang mga terms nga naa nato is 45 inch and 0.01 inches. So the next step in this is derive ang derivative niya. So with kaning iyang na substitute na. So derivative of v 4 cube r squared with respect to r. So 4 pi is 4 pi then 45 ang radius niya squared 4 pi 45 squared times 0.01. Then atong i-calculate mo come up ta sa answer nga 254 0.47. So mao na din ni siya ang atong value sa radius. So 54.47 7 inches cube. So digit na dapat malimot sa unit kay importante kay unit. So this is the answer for this problem, 254.47 inches cube. So in the next problem, the sides of a cube are found to be 6 feet in length with a possible error of no more than 1.5 inches. What is the maximum possible error in the volume of the cube if we use this value of the length of the side to compute the volume? So let's get everything set up first. Then atong remember ang value sa cube. So ang value sa cube is, so ato na siya i-denote as Vx x cube. Then next thing ana is atong i-derive ang v with respect to x. So derivative of v with respect to x is equals to, so power rule gihapon. So kung sa may process na to is i-times siya sa iyang coefficient, then minusan og 1 ang iyang kanang exponent. So mahimo na siyang 3x squared with respect to dx. Then mao na siya ang atong formula. The next step ana atong i-substitute ang mga numbers. So 3, ang x na to is 6, then ang derivative of x na to is 0.125. Then i-calculate na to sa calculator, mo come up ta sa answer nga 13.5 feet cube. So mo ni ang atong volume, length, the side of the volume. Then ang atong error is, margin of error is 1.5 divided by 12 is equals to 0.125. Mo ni siya. Kung mangutana mo asa nakuha ang 0.125. So this is the process on how to calculate the volume. So in the last problem, the radius of a circle is found to be 7 centimeters in the length with a possible error of no more than 0.004 centimeter. What is the maximum possible error in the area of the circle if we use this value of the radius to compute the area? So atong nungduman ang ng area sa circle. So ang area sa circle di ay is, area of a circle is pi r squared. Then ato na po siyang atong kwaon ng iyang derivative. So derivative of a with respect to r. Then so mao gyapon ang process ng power rule, pi, then mahimo na siyang 2r with respect to r. The next step is atong ilisa ng mga variables. So pi times 2, ang iyang radius is 7 centimeters. Then ang iyang kay 0. Margin of error is 0.04. So if ato na siyang i-calculate, the answer would become 1.76 centimeters squared. So mao na siya ang final answer nato sa atong mga problem, 1.76 centimeters squared. So mao ra na tanan, then peace out.